Hello everyone, this is Ross with Market Traders Daily, and this is today's video analysis for February 13, 2020. Today we're looking at the USDCAD, the US dollar, versus Canadian dollar for today's trade analysis. Looking here at the daily time frame first for trend and direction, you can see that the trend has been up for quite a long time. We go all the way back down at the bottom of the black trend line. We're looking all the way back into the beginning of the year. January 7th is the bottom of the black trend line, but I would say this candle right here, December 31st. So since the beginning of the year, making the lowest low, we've seen the dollar CAD on a rise. We've reached into a new high all the way up here, 1.3325, top of the orange shaded area that you can see here on the top of the chart, top of that blue box that you see. Orange zone has been resistance before. Look at the last black box that you see here, and you can see resistance there before, came back under the purple zone, under the green zone. That's probably going to be our most important information today, is right here where the blue circle is under the black box. You can see resistance after pushing down through the black box under the green zone, 1.3265, used the green zone as resistance and began the downtrend. Why is that so important? That's pretty similar to what's happening right now on the right-hand side, where we've tested the high, got under the green zone, and holding underneath 32.65.75, the green zone, as resistance. If we're going to sell it, this is going to be the spot to do it, right underneath that green zone. If we're going to see reversal, this is the spot where we begin looking for further evidence of lower highs and reversal, just like what we saw back there. Of course, then the next thing we'll need to confirm that is a breakdown of the yellow zone, the black trend line, potentially the two moving averages. All of that will be things that we look for the turn lower. Doesn't have to. Of course, the yellow zone is our intraday support. That yellow zone is 1.3245.35. As long as it stays above there, there is potential for it to turn back around and go back up. Back above the green zone, of course, is the risk in the sell scenario. You don't really want it to get back above the green zone if you're going to go short here on the dollar CAD. We'll take a look at the US dollar and how that impacts the dollar CAD later on in the trade. And one last thing, down to the 4-hour time frame. Here it is right here. Let me zoom in a bit, pull this circle in, and here it is right here. Take a look. We have a nice little breakout set up. The market got under the green zone, retesting it as resistance. So the next thing we're looking for is for it to fall off of the green zone, not get back above. So your stop loss, if you decide to go short here, is going to be above the green zone. Let's go ahead and make that red just so it looks like a stop loss line. Why not? So we want to say under the green zone, stop loss above in case it turns back around and goes up again. Target the yellow zone or lower, even down towards the black trend line, the pink shaded area down here into 1.32 for the dollar CAD today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.